Ow. Okay. This is our first video together, first time seeing each other, and we decided to do
Kirishima.
no My Hero Academia drinks. Why can't I think of that? And we decided to record it just because we thought it would be something fun to do. And we're gonna be making some of them into shakes. You got a lot of candy. You were right when you said she got a lot of candy. Okay, so also we'll be like, we can name off like the ingredients if you want to for the drinks. We already did the All Might one, sadly, but we can name that one off if you want us to. But yeah, okay. So Kirishima one. So get a lot of ice because you know it's gonna need a lot of ice. Energy Red Ultra. So that one needs some of the salt, half of the salt, right?
Wait, don't you want to use the one? Wait, did we already open a red one?
No.
Okay.
We opened the max, but the max was purely for the All Might.
Well, can you take this from Sean?
Take what?
Well, it's trash. Don't eat it.
That seems like enough, right?
Oh, put some back.
That's only a few more than the All Might one.
Is it gonna be a slushy?
Yeah. Do you think that's more than enough for a slushie or? Okay.
What kind of
Fine, be
slushy?
that way. It's gonna have half of Red Monster, half of Mountain Dew Code Red, half of Red Gatorade, 10 to 15 Red Sour Patch Kids, and the powder from the bottle there. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So half of this, right? I just thought about it. I didn't use our cup to pour
No, you
it
didn't.
in. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Do you want to try the drink?
What you guys think?
We already made one
It's
of
the
them.
All Might one.
We're also recording a YouTube video, so you get to be on our first YouTube video. It's the All Might drink.
You guys have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, we made our own YouTube channel.
Wait, is it called Twin Love?
Oh.
Wait, is it like
Actually, I
just
don't know what it's
YouTube?
called.
Or is it?
I don't know what it's called. I forgot what it's called. Okay. Mountain Dew Code Red. Where'd my code?
Oh my gosh.
No, where'd the Code Red go?
Subscribe. Did you not get Code Red?
I got Code Red. I put it in the bag. That's
I put all
monster.
the I took all of your stuff out. That's what Oh, Bella, is that what that rock was?
Okay, we'll have to go on without it. We're improvising.
We can do the big red.
Okay, that's fine, yeah. I forgot the Code Red. I bought it. I promise you I bought it.
Did you then drink it?
No, I didn't drink it. Oh, it might have. Someone probably put it in the fridge. I bet you anything. Probably that.
Robinson is typically on duty in the cells, and Robinson is a taste for booze.
Just take this.
Okay.
Do you want to put more in? No? Okay.
No, it's okay. It's fine.
And then
10 to 15 Red Sour Patch Kids. Okay.
so 1.
Oh, wait, we need Gatorade too, first. Oh, wait, you poured stuff in here, didn't you? Oh, you didn't?
I put it all in there and there.
Okay. Then 10 to 15 Red Sour Patch Kids. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You can get them on
6.
Amazon. All the rest are orange. But
they're
that's a
like,
good thing that I bought extra.
Dad, can we try the toxic waste?
Toxic waste tastes really good.
I dare you.
I'll take 3 at a time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just made my belly rumble.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you think we should only stick with 10 just in case we need a few more red ones for another drink?
Yeah, sure.
And of course eat one. I'm kidding. And then we have the ice. Okay, we can make the drink then. Cool. Also, mod the channel. Talk me send you. Go subscribe. Go check. Yeah, I do a bunch of live streaming on there because I don't have like proper set. Yeah.
Hit the like button. Smash.
Yeah, smash the like button. Come on.
Daddy has to try one. That was
It's not a slushy yet.
more ice.
Yeah, no more ice. It's a slushy. Okay.
You want that flavor?
Oh yeah, that's definitely a slushy, yo.
Okay, so I got it open.
Oh. Oh no. Come on. Okay, slushy. No, we're gonna do taste testing at the end of the video. That's the surprise part. That's the one for all the drinks. Oh yeah.
That's the one for all the drinks.
Oh wait, you didn't hear that. Shush. Okay. Did anyone want to try a slushy or no?
Allie, you want to try some of
I'll
his
try a
slushy?
sip.
Standing right here.
You just want this, or do you want? the
You
big
want to
one?
try a sip from the blender?
No.
Here you go.
Thank you.
We're not gonna taste
This is something different.
Yeah, that's the
Yeah,
red
that's-
riot one.
Delicious.
That one seems to look a little sour.
I spit it out. You couldn't handle it?
Give me 2 of them.
Try one.
I got 2.
Oh my gosh, you can take 10.
I'll take both.
Just don't put them all in your mouth.
Let me try.
Ready?
Here, try some.
I like the first one better.
Yes. Good for you. Sorry, everyone. And then what are you going to do next? Denki? Haku Red Waste in here.
I do it. Bakugo.
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 Okay, get what you need for that one.
I never got the chaos.
follow and like.
Okay. Orange Monster, a salt, baby bottle powder, and 1 small pack of Red Hops.
Okay. I have a big pack of Red Hots because the Todoroki one needed it too. I love her hair is in her face.
Okay, yeah, big surprise was ruined.
New ones or old ones?
Because of me. You? One of us.
You were the one that said about the bunch.
Shh, shh, shh. This right here is gonna. So we're unlimited time. So we probably won't get to all the drinks, sorry.
Can I play with your slime?
I don't care.
You said okay.
Yeah. Play with whichever.
Thanks.
So this right here, with whatever we ended up making, is going to be a mix of all drinks. Yeah, I wasn't able to. Okay. Red Hots. We're not putting the whole thing in there, are we?
No.
Okay.
One small one would be just a small handful. So my handful, because I have the smaller hand.
Hold on. Let's
Oh wait, ice.
get the ice in there. Ice.
That's
ice.
what she said.
Do copyright. Ice. I feel like you need to make this drink like soup.
I feel like that you should have a ring light in your Red Bull and just be like, okay. Get it like Charlie D'Amelio. I know she got Dunkin'. Let's put the fork in the garbage disposal.
There we go.
Ding, 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 ding.
So this is the orange monster you got for it?
Yeah.
This is the last one, guys, because we're gonna go bowl. If you want to go bowling, now's probably like 10 minutes.
Let's take a vote. Raise your hand if you want to go bowling.
Well, if just them three want to go, they can. You and I'll stay home.
I'm raising my hand. I just couldn't
I
raise
know.
my hand at the second. That looks more
Now,
yellow.
for
That looks
Sean,
like it'd be good for the
That's
dental.
so-
He really doesn't want to bowl.
Well, I want to hang out with them.
Well, they're going bowling.
They just really want to go. Okay,
Okay.
we rent a projector and hang out some sheets. Then when they get home.
And then
We've
the
spent-
baby bottle.
Big bottle.
Oh, hey, someone squished the speeder. Disgusting disturbing.
Actually, the drinks we make in this video we'll probably make a second part just to show off the other ones. So maybe we should save that glass and not drink it yet. Okay.
We can put all of them in the freezer so that they freeze
Yeah.
over and all turn into milkshake. Or not milkshake, but
But we can put.
Have you heard that one TikTok thing like that? ADHD be like, and it's the Richie Taza like, what the dude? And then it's like, this is longer than, yeah, that one. Colton, she's like,
We're having a problem there.
no.
Fine, I guess we're never getting to the
can I
drink.
smack someone with this?
No.
Any
You can
volunteers?
ask Mac Mahone.
Just
Fuck.
You're going under arrest, sir.
Oh wow. I can't break free from this. What am I supposed to do? Okay.
I can't go to jail yet. I'm still young and youthful.
So you wanna do that while I clean up?
You know, I think you got this. How do I use
You just press down here. No, the whole entire thing so that it doesn't spurt up. Right, like that. Like that. That's good. Okay, ready?
You got it.
Everyone stop.
The blade's doing it.
Let's see how credible this idea
You think that's good? You made that one into. That one turned into.
You want that to be slushy?
Are we about to leave, Mom?
You can play Fortnite when we get home though.
Okay.
I feel the Bakugo should have the bright red one.
Makes sense. Oh wait, this is the Bakugo one?
Pictures
Yeah.
of Bakugo and everyone. Bella, you should draw, and then on the cups you should put the like person. Get it? Like.
I
Put
know
a
what
picture-
you mean.
put
Put,
a-
like a picture of the person on the
Yeah.
cup on what drink it is.
Hey, we should add sparkles to the wall.
Okay. So if that's
That's the 3. Mama, is this their soap or our soap?
And
Huh?
then
Theirs?
Theirs. It's Colton. Oh, yeah.
It's
so
so.
that we can do that one. now.
she said that was the last drink if we want to go to the bowling alley.
Yeah.
That we have to make.
Doesn't it
So-
smell magnificent?
Taste test
Yeah.
it and then we can make a pot too.
Okay.
Okay.
Just
Yeah.
added some more.
So
Oh my gosh, you need to delete the last part.
I kinda can't. I might be able to.
Oh my god.
Okay, where's the towel? Where'd you put the towel? Towel.
Towel is
Towel.
classy, bougie.
Right.
Here. Wait.
Oh, that
here.
even has a light. Whoa, cool. Look at lighting. Cool.
I'm so professional.
Oh. Okay.
Hold it up, make sure it doesn't get on the moolah.
Okay, so this is the only drink that's not a slushy. Love how we filled the the Red Riot one up all the way. And this is Bakugo. Pretty sure that's how you say his name, right? Bakugo. He's a cupcake, right?
Yeah, totally.
Okay. Just to make sure. Alright, I have to wait for you to taste test then. Or you can taste test it first. You taste test the omelet one first. Oh, well. Yeah, you know what I mean. Honestly, I can taste the Sour Patch Kids in that one. I mean, we've already tasted this. Is but doing it for camera.
Okay.
Okay. Bakugo one
Are
next.
we staying
Only
here?
because.
You first.
Okay. This has red hearts in it, and I'm not sure about it.
Taking Colton home while Eddie's working on one.
Honestly, I can taste the red hearts.
Oh, great.
I can taste the red hearts.
Ooh, it's good.
Yeah. You guys want to taste this one at all? You can kind of taste the red hearts. It's not bad.
Oh no, I don't like. Red
No, it's not like it's not hot. It's not spicy.
I'll do it.
I like spice. I just don't like red hot. First.
You're disgusting.